English step by step, pronunciation and spelling, vowels, I and E, step 2. In this video, we'll go through the answers to the practice exercise in the step 1 video, so make sure you watch that video first and try the exercise. So let's go through these words and sentences and check the sounds and the spelling. Number 1 was biscuit. Now that one is regular spelling with I. Number 2, business. That's an irregular spelling with U. Number 3, whiskey with I. Number 4, minute. Now the first I is regular spelling and the second one is irregular with U, minute. Number 5, build. So that's UI, which is an irregular spelling. So there you have biscuit, business, whiskey, minute and build. Number 6, sleep, double E. Number 7, conceive. Now this one is EI. Now normally if the word has C before the phoneme, in this case conceive, then it's EI. It's the same with deceive and receive. We have EI after the C. Number 8, he. One E is an irregular spelling. Number 9, leave, EA, which is a common spelling for this phoneme. Number 10, key with EY, irregular spelling. So let's look at the sentences. Number 11, the business women didn't believe me. Now here we can see the word women here, which is the plural of woman. So woman is one, which is singular, and women is plural with O as the spelling. So that's another irregular spelling. Business women. The business women didn't believe me. Number 12, she doesn't eat meat but admits that she eats fish. Number 13, these slippers are too big and they don't fit my feet. Number 14, he likes to sit and think on a seat near the beach. Number 15, the sleeping pills make him feel ill. So those are the answers. This is one of a series of videos in which I talk about and give examples of the pronunciation and spelling of English vowels. So make sure you check out the other videos in this series and also watch the overview in which I talk about all the vowels in the English language. So if you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.